Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. I am Aminullah and you are watching my channel just for your help. Today topic is about how to install multi operating system in just in one PC or in one laptop. You can run multi operating system at a time on same PC on same time. So for that you have to install parallel desktop Mac version, and also you can use Windows version, PC version. So first download and install parallel desktop from the link in the description, and after that install it and then open it. So I am using parallel desktop 13 for Mac Business Edition version 13.3, 13.2, uh, 13.2.0. So I have already installed Windows 7 operating system. As you can see, just click on resume and your window will be start automatically. And you can also install other operating system like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 9, Windows 10, and so on. And other operating system like Linux or Ubuntu, Fedora. You can install any operating system which work. So this is Mac operating system, and with the slide you can go to Windows 7. With four finger slide you can open Windows 7. So you can just suspend it for pausing. So I will suspend it. Once it's suspended I will close it. Okay, so here you can create new virtual machine. For that you can transfer window from a PC. Just click on this, click on continue here, or transfer your PC. Here you can see the option. If you have a Windows or Linux computer you can transfer. So click on continue. Here we have two options. How do you want to transfer your PC to your Mac? One option is network, second one is external storage. Transfer your PC to an external storage and then copy it to your Mac. So I want to use an image file. So I will be back. Here are the second option: install window or another OS from a DVD or image file. Click on this, click on continue. So it automatically search for the operating system that you have in internal, I mean in other disk, local disk D or A. So you can select it there, or you can click on choose manually. So in manually you can select DVD. You can create an image file from DVD. You can create image file from an ISO format, or you can also install an operating system from a USB external hard drive or USB or memory card. So I will select an image file, click on select a file, and here I will go to local disk, and here I will select Windows 7. Here I will select Windows 8 because Windows 7 is already installed. So all the operating system have the same method for installing. So I have selected Windows 8. Click on continue. So here enter window license key for faster installation, but we will uncheck it. We can do it later in the setting. So here is the productivity software development. I will primarily use window for. It means that what would you like to use this window for? So I will select software development. You can choose game only, design, anything you want, but I personally want to use this. You can select anything. So click on continue. Here is the name. You can put any name over here, and it's the location that your window will be saved. So you can create on desktop or another location. You can choose another location, select another location, but by default one is parallel desktop. So click on create. So now it's creating the window at installation file in go to document. Here we will find parallel desktop, and here is Windows 7 that is already installed. So now it's creating window at installation, so we will check it that how it's installed and how it's work. So it's creating, and now it's installing the window. So once it's done, we will check that how much time it will take. This is a very simple method for installing another operating system uh, for saving time, and you can use both operating system at a time at once on same computer and same PC. I will show you that mm, I can run both operating system at a time and same time. So it's Windows 8 Professional x86 means that 32 bit. Click on next. So it's installing the operating system, and I will show you that Windows 7 will also work, and as you see both the systems are running on same time. So Windows 8 is installing, Windows 7 is running, and also Mac is also running, as you see on the screen that both operating systems are work correctly. So this is Mac OS Mojave, this is Windows 7, and Windows 8 is still installing and is in process. So once it completed, then we will also install it, and we will also check it. So I will tell you that Windows 7, Windows 8 is installing, Windows 7 is running, and Mac is also running. So now we will create a new virtual machine. It will slow down your PC, but you can run both operating system at a time. So click on this, continue, choose manually, select a file. Uh, and no, we will select Microsoft Windows XP for installing in Mac OS X Mojave. So this is Windows XP, and after that we will check Windows 10 on same PC and same method. So as you see, it's Windows XP. Click on continue, uncheck this, click on continue, and select this one or this any option you want. Select one option in this list, click continue. It will slow down your PC a little, I mean, sorry for weak English. It's also need the same location for installing. Click on create, and now it's creating Windows XP. So as you see, I am running four operating system on same PC, on same laptop, on same time at once. So as you see, this is Windows 7. As you see, it's work normally, and you can install and you can do anything over here. But I told you that it will a little slow down your PC, but it's no problem, it's working well. So this is Windows 8 installation, and this is Windows XP installation, sorry, and this is Windows 7 running. So both our operating system are running well. As you see, I got the message that starting this virtual machine will slow down your Mac. Would you like to start it anyway? For better performance, decrease the amount of memory RAM assigned to the virtual machine, or suspend other running virtual machine and then start. So I will start anyway. but later I will decrease the RAM to work fast because I have 8 GB RAM. So I will suspend this operating system Windows 7 and later I will start it again first to install the other operating system because the RAM is very low. So I will suspend this one Windows 7 because it's already running and it's working. As you see, here is its RAM is 1 GB. So Windows 8 is running. Windows 8 is installing, Windows 7 is running, and I will first I will suspend Windows 7, then on the other operating system will work normally. As you see, I told you that it will slow down your PC, but don't worry, it's running, it's working. Uh, This software is just for that if you want Windows 8 you can start Windows 8. If you want Windows XP you can start and you can work on it. If you want Windows 7 you can open it and you can work on it. And if you want other operating system, just open the virtual machine and you can work in it and then suspend it or shut down it. Then no problem, you can do anything, any work. As you see, Windows XP is also running, Mac is running, but my laptop is a little slow. As you see, it's give me, as you see, it's running slow, but I have to suspend, I have to shut down Windows 7 for best result, for best performance. I'm shutting down Windows 7, then maybe it's fast. So it's running. I will pause the video for saving time to shut down Windows 7 and the other system will work normally as you see. But first I have to shut down Windows 7, but it's stored on my PC. So Windows XP is also installing, Windows 7 is running, Windows 8 is also installing, and on same time Mac OS X Mojave is still working and running on same laptop on same time. So both operating system are working great, but the problem is that it slowed down your PC when you start all the operating system at a time on same PC. So you know that all operating system need memory, RAM, and graphics. So when you share all the RAM and graphics with all the operating systems, so then it will also slow down your PC. But first I have to shut down this Windows 7. Sorry for the sound in background. that you have here. Start and shut down. Slow down my PC. Sorry friends, it's completely slow down my computer. But I'm still working on it to suspend one operating system, then the other two operating system will work correctly and fastly. I just need to suspend Windows 7. I have clicked quit on Windows 7 and it's suspended. And now the other two operating system are working and sorry, and they are installing. As you see, Windows 8 is also installing and Windows XP. And I close Windows 7 because of low memory of RAM. So I will click quit again to stop it. Then the RAM will share with Windows 8 and Windows XP, then it will work correctly. So Windows 7 is suspended and it's closed, and the other two operating system are running as you see. So please subscribe my channel just for your help, for more interesting videos, for more software. I have one problem of internet connection because the government don't allow people to use internet in private areas, so it is allowed only in government areas. So once this problem gone, then I can share anything on my channel. I can put any software, any video for you. But the main problem for now is that I have no myself internet connection, and I'm making these videos offline, and after that when it's completed, then I upload it to my channel with the help of my friend that have internet connection. So I was offline cause of that, and I'm making this video after a lot of time. So friends are waiting for me, but I'm waiting for internet connection, so that's the reason, that's the problem. um, I'm trying my best to work hard. I'm not like the other channel who they are professional, they know the method, they know the teaching method, but I was a new user, and now I work hard, and my channel is well, but I'm trying my best to make it better. But I don't know the way that other people do for their channel. I am simple and just simply upload videos for you to get help. So I'm pausing the video for copying these files, then I will be back. Windows XP first part is completed. and it's loading for the second part, and window at is also going to be completed its first part. So I'm using all this operating system inside Mac OS X Mojave, which is the latest version of Apple operating system. So first I will change the RAM, then I will start Windows XP again. But first I have to change the RAM. So click on parallel desktop. Okay, now here we will go to configuration. So window at is still installing, it's still running, and window XP need more RAM. So first we will give a little more RAM. So it's the hardware option. So we will check window at, and we will give it more RAM. Window XP. Where is window XP? So show all windows. Sorry. Okay, so this are the operating systems, window XP 7 and 8. If we click on window XP, uh, then click on first we have to stop it, and then we will check its preferences. So click on cancel. First it's need its RAM. Okay, so click on configuration, go to hardware, and its RAM is 1 GB. We will make it 2 GB, 2 GHz, and then we will start it again. So now the Windows XP have 2 GB RAM, and Windows 8 is 1 GB, and the Mac is also using some memory of RAM. I just want to show you that we can use both of operating system on same PC and same time, but the difference will that if you want to work in XP, just open your XP and close the other operating system. If you want to work in Windows 7, just open that operating system and close the other operating system, and so on. If you want to work in Windows 10, then open Windows 10 and close the other operating system. So this is the method for operating system. So it got an error. I don't know what's the problem, but maybe the stopping and closing caused the error. So you know, my friends, that Windows XP always give errors on different uh, so we will install Windows XP again from the start, because I close it 2 times, that's why it get error. And Windows 8 is running correctly, it's give me no error. So I will stop window XP, but later I will show you its installation. So this is the same method of installing mm, Windows XP, Windows 7, and so on. So sorry. So Windows 8 is installing, Windows 7 is already installed, and as you see, it's slowed on my Mac. So once it's completed, we will install the other operating system, but first we need to install the one. And in this operating system you can install any Microsoft application software that you want. You can run AutoCAD and other heavy application software in this operating this virtual machine, and you can use this for hacking and for other purpose. So Windows 8 is going to be ready for using. So once it's completed Windows 8, then I will close it and I will install Windows XP. And when then Windows XP is also completed, then we will install Windows 10. And then when all the operating system completed successfully, then we will run all the operating system on same PC on same time. And if not, then we can check one by one to just to know that we can work on it or not. So but I will show you that we can also run Windows 7. So here is the installed folder of your operating system. Its name is Parallels, and here is Windows 7. You can run it from there. So just simply click on resume. Your Windows 7 will start and it will resume on the place from where you left. So 7 is running and Mac is ready to be completed installing apps. So here is Windows 7, and as you see Windows 7 is running very well, very fast, and Windows 8 is installing and Mac is also work nicely. So this is Windows 7. The time is go on. I want to make a short video, but it's not possible to make it shorter because you have to know everything. The complete installation method. So Windows 7 is great and working very well. I will check that it can install anything. You can install any software. But the problem is only that it will a little slow your PC. But don't worry, you can share more RAMs to have more speed. So this is Windows 7 and this is Windows 8. You can install all the operating system in Windows 7, and also you can do this process in Windows XP, and you can do this process in Windows 10, Windows 9. You can install all the operating system on any system, but it just need more RAM and more graphics for better result. So as you see, I can install anything on Windows 7, and I can use Windows 7 as normally as I use it on other on other system, on another laptops. So as you see, I already installed all this application inside Windows 7. So Windows 8 is installed successfully, and it's welcome to me. It's give welcome message. So it's the desktop of Windows 8. I will full screen it. Click continue. So as you see, this is Windows 8, this is Windows 7, and this is Mac. I'm using three operating system on same time. So I will show you that this is a Mac OS, and this is this is Windows 7, and that one is Windows 8. So this one is Windows 7 Ultimate, this one is Windows 8, and this one is Mojave, which is the original Mac OS operating system. As you see, I am running all these operating system on same PC on same time. So but I don't know what to say, that you can use both the operating system like this. I will show you. Click on I will exit full screen, and I will select this option. So you can use this operating system as picture in picture view in Mac. Moida, no direction left. As you see that we have this option. I will show you that on Mac you can get the window at menu, and also you can get the Windows 7 menu. So I will exit from this option, and I will go to full screen. So this is Windows 7, this is at, and this is Mac. So now I will close Windows 7 and at, and then I will install the another operating system, Windows XP, and after that I will install Windows 10. So Windows 8 is suspending, Windows 7 will also suspend. So these operating systems are suspending, and we will check the Windows XP installation, that it's work well or not. But first it's need to be suspended, or you can shut it down, or you can power it off. But suspend means that you can resume this operating system there from where you left. It will not take time, but when you run both operating system on same time, it will slow down your PC. That's why it's loading. So I will force quit it. So window at 100% suspended, and now we will close it here. And Windows 7 is also suspending, and it's also suspended, and we will close it here. So now we will go to Mac parallel desktop. First we will go to parallel desktop, or go to document and then parallel. So here we have only one operating system, which is called, so okay, now we will click on new operating system, and now we will select install this option and click this, or choose manually. We can select window XP from local disk in ISO format. Window XP ISO format, click on open, and click on continue. Enter this, click continue, and anything you want to click this. So here is the location where you want to save this operating system. Click on create. So now it's creating window XP. After that we will install it. So no, it will install fastly because the other operating system are closed. The time is gone. So it's loading files, and now it's copying file. Setup is formatting, and after that checking drive C, and now it's creating list of file to be copied, and now it's copying file fastly from the CD. It's copy the file so fast from CD. I mean that CD copy file slowly, and from the ISO file or USB, its copy speed is so fast. So we have installed two operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows XP is installing. Once it's completed, then we will install Windows 10. Then we will check the operating systems that it's work correctly or not. We have checked these two operating system, Windows 7 and 8, and Windows XP is still running. So I will be back up once the copy is completed, because I want to save the time, and it's copying file. So it's copying the files. 82% completed. So once it's completed, then we will go to the next part of Windows XP, second part. So loading information file. So it's working well. First part completed successfully. Now it's restarting the computer. So Windows XP is loading, installing. So here we got a message in the previous version, but now it will check that it's working or not. So it's running, it's installing Windows XP. So don't forget to subscribe my channel just for your help. For more videos, for more interesting videos, invite your friends, like, share and comment if you want. So it's installing Windows XP. I will pause the video for saving time. So as you see, it's not giving me any error. It's running successfully, it's working correctly, and it's need 37 minutes to be completed, as normally as you do it. So it's going on, it's 35 minutes remaining. I'm pausing the video for saving time because it's a so long video. I don't want to bore you, but I can't do anything without this because I want to share my knowledge with you to learn that how it's work and how to install it. Some friends know it very well, but some friends don't know about this, and they don't know how to use both operating system and how to install both system, both the OS. So if the friends that who know about this, it's okay for them, but the friends who don't know, they will get help from this video. So I will try my best. Today everyone know every tricks, but there are some friends who are new to this word, and they are new and they have many problems. So here we will put the key and then we will continue. So it's the code and click on next. So now it's installing the OS. So it's 25 minutes remaining. I'm pausing the video. It's step by step. The minutes are going down step by step, as you see: 24, 23, 22, and 20, 20, and 19, 18, and so on. But with the help of pausing video, you can just see all this at once. So I am again pausing the video for saving time. Installing start menu items, and it's 19 minutes remaining. So friends, must subscribe my channel just for your help for more videos. So with this you can do other work in your computer, and it's installing. Just minimize it and do your work that you want, anything that you want to work or anything you can work in your PC, and it's installing on background. As you see, it's installing and I am working in window Mac OS. So it is very nice for doing this, that I'm using Mac OS and Windows XP is installing in background, and if I want to convert anything or just want to open or use any software, it will work on background and I will also work on Mac. So it's help it's very helpful for many reason. If you want to work in Mac, you can work there, and if you want to also work in Windows XP or 7, you can also work there. So it is very helpful for me. So it's 13 minutes remaining, then our Windows XP is completed successfully. You can also install other operating system like Linux, Ubuntu, Mint, Fedora, and Kali Linux for hacking, and you can use many other application with this virtual machine. So it's going to be completed. It's just 6 minutes remaining for saving settings, and then our Windows XP is installing and it's completed. So the other operating system method is the same, that I use this method for installing. 5 minutes remaining for installing the Windows XP. After that, our Windows XP is ready for use, and then we have 4 operating system installed on this virtual machine, and we can use both operating system and we can get help from them. Okay, 3 minutes remaining and it's now going to be completed. Just two, and then it will go on to 1 minute, and then our computer will our Windows XP will be work correctly. and we will check it. Okay, it's 2 minutes remaining and 1 minute remaining, and now it will restart our computer, and now it's restarting, and then we will check it that how it's work. And as you see, window XP is restarted and successfully completed, and now we will check its first look on. So it's loading. You can put any name you want to put. So applying your personal setting, and you hear the voice that window XP is installed successfully, and it's opened. So it's installing Parallels tools, 15% completed. It will automatically detect the graphics card and other setting. It will do other setting, then it will work correctly. You have to wait for this for installing parallel tools. So once it's completed, I will be back. So it's 37% completed, and we will wait for it. It's 51% completed. Once it's completed, I will be back. 74 74 76% completed, and 91%. After that, when it's completed, the system will automatically restart. So so Windows 7 is loading. It will show its desktop to us, then we can use it and we can work in it. So as you see, window XP is also installed and it's restarting. As I said that after parallel install tools installed, it will automatically restart. So so installation is completed. Click on continue, and now you see window XP is installed inside Mac OS Mojave. So we can now use all this operating system on same time, and as you see, so now I will start all the operating system, then we will check it that it's work well or not. So first we will check Windows 7, then we will select Window 8, and Window XP is still also running well. So it's resuming. I got the same message that it will slow down your Mac, but don't worry, make it on 7. So it's Windows XP, Windows 7, and it's Windows 8. So both of operating system are running. This is Windows 7 and this is Windows XP. As you see, Windows XP, this is Windows 8, and it will slow down the PC, but we have to I will pause the video once all the operating system loading completed successfully. Then I will be back and I will tell you that it's all the operating system now are working well. So as you okay friend, so let's check it. So this is a window XP. As you see that you can use window XP, and it's work very well, and you can use its features. So this one is Windows 7, and as you see it's working very well and you can use its feature. And this one is Windows 8. As you see, you can use its feature. So with same method you can install Windows 10 and other OS operating system. As you see, this is Windows 8, this is Windows XP, and this one is Windows 7. So as you see, I'm using all these operating system, and also I use the Mac OS Mojave. So all these operating system are running. As you see here, this is Windows 7, this is Windows 8, this is Windows 7, and this is Windows XP. So this is Windows 7, this is Windows XP, and this one is Windows 8. So all the operating system are work very well, very nice. So if this video is helpful for you, please must subscribe my channel for more videos, for more nice videos. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please must subscribe my channel. Peace.